Welcome, friends. Let's understand the things which is happening in our country when I talk about medical negligence cases. Today, I have read an article on a TUI where one doctor has been ordered to pay 11 lakh rupees compensation of Mumbai in alleged negligence case of death of a child. Time again in every lecture, every time I have emphasized on the importance of medical record. When I gone through this particular article, I found that court has observed that there is a carelessness as duty. Court has very categorically said there is no aspect of negligence, but the carelessness duty is termed as deficiency in service. See how much court interpret and goes through that angle. Not only that, even it was observed while defining about the carelessness that being a pneumonia patient and there is a work going on in a hospital where there is a dust, another particle, patient got admitted, which has exaggerated the condition. Not only that, the medical record was not properly maintained, seen by the court. The advocate of opponent has very clearly categorically shown the TPR chart and the record maintained on IPT paper where discrepancies is found. Multiple blank spaces were found. Nowhere proper medical record was observed was a ground of deciding the case. And well, it is observed that poor defenses because of poor documentation. And it said no record, no defense, poor record, poor defense, good record, good defense. Friends, now the court looks to every angle. The advocates are very smart to interpret every medical record in court of law. It is a real time for all my doctor to be really cautious while looking at the patient, seeing the patient, and any factor can go against them. One more thing which was observed in this, that doctor has said that there was a need of surgery, but since consent of a father was not given on pretext of astrologist guidelines, he could not able to do the surgery. A very fishy defense said by the court, as the responsibility of doctor is very high in emergency cases where the life become important. It is a duty of a doctor to go ahead with the things and do the things. Well, if it is not emergency and treatment can be taken off, you can definitely advise the patient to transfer it to some other hospital, take a negative consent, but it cannot be save you, because when doctor knows that this is the thing which need to be done to save a life, no part of consent or negative consent may help you. My friend, be careful what we are doing today. There could be a possibilities like people may be depending on astrologer and other things, but if they are not allowing you, you can call a police for the consent. You can definitely take a consent by other relatives, or you can transfer a patient, but we cannot give a answer like this. So this is the where court has found lots of discrepancies, and 11 lakh compensation was awarded in this case. Is definitely a learning to us. My friend, this is very important to have a professional indemnity policy, error omission policy of the hospital, doctors risk medico legal services tied up with the new India insurance company and offering such a beautiful policies to you, so that such a thing can be taken care of where 1:1 any number of case, yes, out of court settlement, cashless benefit. Not only that, all the legal fees covered, all cosmetic covers, latest technology covers, all in one group. In a hospital policy, paramedical staff covers, qualified and qualified staff covers, visiting consultants, management, directors, everyone is covered. When insurance company is there to protect you in all sort of losses, my friend, this is the right time where you take a wise decision and you can join a hand with doctors, because that comes with the medical legal services support system where pre-litigation, during litigation, post-litigation support is needed to my doctor, which is not in a part of indemnity policy, can be a real wisdom and great changes to the community. So my special recommendation to all my friend here, please go with the doctor's risk for opting a medical legal services and also a customized professional indemnity policy, so that such thing can be taken care of. And always remain, be conscious, maintain medical record, have a fingertip number of a medical expert to naturally protect them. So thank you very much. let's come out with some other cases sooner. Thank you.